Alright, so inverse functions are just like a weird version of rearranging. So our first step is literally going to be writing that function as an equation, right? So instead of writing f of x equals 2x minus 1, we're just going to write that as y equals 2x minus 1, because then we can do maths with that you should be kind of familiar with, right? So our second step is just going to be rearranging for x. So we're going to make x the subject, and to do that we're going to start by moving the minus 1. We'll put a circle around it. It starts as a minus, then it ends as a plus. So y plus 1 equals 2x. Then I'm going to move the 2. The 2 is joined to the x by multiplication. When I move it, it divides. So the final expression, the final bit is going to be y plus 1 all over 2 equals x. And then for the third step, we're just going to do a little bit of notation switching. And where the y is, I'm going to write the y as x. And where the x is, I'm going to write that as f to the minus 1 of x. Because when we're looking for the inverse function, we have to use the minus 1. So f to the minus 1 of x, the inverse function is equal to x plus 1 all over 2. All over 2.